Grow and glow with Alaa!
J, this is big J, and this is small j. Let's say the sound together. Ja. Ja. Excellent. J is for jellyfish. Look at the jellyfish, floating gently in the ocean with its wiggly tentacles. Can you say jellyfish? Ja. Ja. Jellyfish. Well done.
Yay!
K, this is big K, and this is small k. Let's say the sound together. Ka. Ka. Excellent. K is for kangaroo. The kangaroo loves to hop, hop, hop. Can you say kangaroo? Ka. Ka. Kangaroo. Well done.
Yay!
L.
Grow and glow with Alaa! Yay!
If you loved the story and want to hear more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you had as much fun as I did, tap the bell so you'll always know when the next story is ready.
Yay!
See you soon.